Forex market, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the situation update. Friday, August 13, just before the weekend sets in. We want to give you an update on the Euro Japanese yen. And in the next video, we're going to talk about the Euro versus the US dollar. So we're linking those two together from obvious reasons, right? I mean, correlation reasons. We've been on those two exactly 5 days ago. So we felt that it was a good timing for a bit of an update. By the way, we're still here. We're still holding tight on those two positions. All right, so let's go ahead and dive in. As you can see, we got that order window open. So I'm just about to launch 10K. On top of the 10K we already have here. You might be asking yourselves, how come there's only 10K? There should have been 30. The reason is that there's only 10 is because we actually took out the 20K in some profit, not too much. There was some profit on it, but basically we got a little bit concerned over the rejection price action was having on 129.66 right there. So we decided to reduce the exposure by cutting it by 66%, right? 2/3 of the position was out, and now we're kind of getting back in, but slower, right? So here's how it started. It started off by us pulling the trigger the first time with 10K. We got into a loss on paper, of course. We saw the big rejection of 129.28, and that's where we doubled down. Then we got that 20K out. Now we're bringing 10K back in, guys. So we're going to be up to 20K altogether. All right. Now we're going to use the target of 130.09. All right. We got two targets here. Right. We got 130.73. And that's for the 10K. The 20K, basically the 10, now the first 10K, this 10K, the second 10K, it's like, again, doubling down again, right? We're doubling down, but we don't need to aim so far. Here we can only aim for 130.09, which is another big resistance level. Stop loss level remains the same, 128.80. There's no point changing that at this point in time. So let's go, 10K. All right, we're there. Yeah, bulking up the position again. We feel that, you know, price action is gonna go for it today. It looks like it's gonna go for it. It's gonna go for another attempt to break 129.66. We feel this time there's a good chance it will be successful. All right, and again, we're linking this one to the euro dollar. We're getting some strong bullish signs of the euro dollar, so it only enhances our bullish conviction on the Euro Japanese yen. And I'm not even talking about the technical situation here, which is bullish on its own, but from a correlation point of view, it's also looking pretty bullish. So we decided to bulk up the position again, and we can afford it, right? Because we took out the 20K in so we already registered some profit on this position, so it's easy for us to jump back in. Price didn't go at all. It didn't go anywhere at all, right? It kind of stagnated in the past in the last 3 days or so. So guys, as you can see, price is about to approach that 129.66. It's super close, right? It's like 6 pip from that level. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a touchdown pretty soon. The question is what kind of reaction we're gonna have here, what kind of battle price action is gonna have with that level. Hopefully it's gonna be able to cross over nice and clean, right? Anyway, I'm pretty sure next week, guys, early next week, we're going to come back, follow up on the situation, and keep you posted. In the meantime, we're going to say goodbye. But like I said, we're going to see you in the next one. We're going to talk about the euro versus the US dollar. So, see you there.